Finally, 10th November, I woke up early and started my vlogging. Hi! 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 Yashu. Yishu, 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 yishu. These cute two doggos come here around 5 a.m. every day, and either we give them food or not, they doesn't bother about that, but they are very happy to see us. 10th of November 2025. So I wake up at 4:40 a.m. and I had my shower and everything. So right now we are just waiting around 8 a.m. We will go for the Change Dublin. Let's see. And Sandesh told us that the last 8 kilometers of Change waterfalls, the road is not good at all. It will be jerking and bumpy. So I am a little bit of worried about my mother. She's not going to get down at Change, but let's see. And yes, I'm going to Pride Hill Homestay for the swing also. Right now it's 7 a.m. and it's not very cold for me. It's a normal jacket. I don't need the hoodie at all. Yeah, but in this Low Lake Hushmall Eden area around 8:30 to 9 p.m. suddenly always, even I have seen this in 2023 also, the temperature dropped down drastically. It will come down within 11. So it was really very cold, and after having rice, definitely I feel cold. So today all day, yesterday was a rest day, a rest for my mother, not a exact rest for me and for my dad. See, Eden is really very beautiful. Actually, it looks like Eden. And let's see what we can what we can explore today. It is a hectic day, definitely. Today is going to be a hectic day. So I told my parents that at least today adjust with this momo, thukpan, whatever we can get it, because tomorrow we are heading back to Darjeeling. So Rajesh will be there, and he knows my parents well. Even Sandesh is also really very good driver. He's very young but very careful. So today I will have that kind of lunch, maybe Maggie, whatever it is, we can have it. And then in Eden, breakfast and the prices, that is breakfast and dinner included. Even we took the lunch yesterday. Today we are not going to take the lunch. Even the evening snacks was there. We took it, so that is not included in our package. So let's go, just exploring the place. Seriously, even I have seen people are coming here in this Eden homestay. It's a huge area, yesterday I showed you. So people are coming here and stay for a month or so. I have seen you can get it from Airbnb also. Apart from the Revolver website, you will get the Eden also, Eden stay, and you can book it for from Airbnb. We never do it from Airbnb, but directly from Eden. So, and the doggos, they are very nice. Let's see who it is. Kuyu, kuyu. Come, come, come. Oh, oh. This is their doggo bed. This is something I want to show you all. This kind of flower we can see, I mean, at least I have seen. See, my doggo, not my doggo, the Eden doggo came, the guard dog. So this kind of flower we have seen. I have seen this kind of flower that is not the natural one but the artificial. But here, this is the natural one. I'm going closer. No, you cannot lick my hand. Oh ho, oh ho, oh ho. Are, let me do the vlogging, okay? Come. So here, no interruption. They are also part of my vlogging. So you can see this is very similar to what we can say in Bengali, that is kochu gach. So it is. It looks like that. There are 2, 3 basically. I'm really fond of this place. So pretty. So this is the flower. Don't you think this Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel, it's not only about cooking, it's travel, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, everything. Obviously, I love nature, and every year at least once I try to come to Darjeeling. I'm not bored at all. Darjeeling city, I always stay in Revolver, as I said, and here Eden, that Bimal Rai uncle, he's very nice person. Love it. I have seen so many people are coming from Jadavpur, Bijoygarh, Golgreen area also. So this is the nice place. हम जो चलने लगे हैं ये रास्ते आहा हा मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते आओ खो जाए हम Love my torture, right? 10th November breakfast, egg omelette, butter, peanut butter, jam, toast, tea. We choose two toast per head because we cannot eat much, otherwise it will be more than that. We did early breakfast because we told Sandesh to pick up within 8 a.m. So in the next vlog you can see our journey. So the dog is also waiting like us.